Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Getting Started with Python Code Club Projects. Introduction. Python Code Club is a fantastic way to engage learners in coding and foster a collaborative learning environment. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of starting a Python Code Club project and provide a simple example to get you started. Before diving into the project, ensure that Python is installed on your system. You can download the latest version from the official Python website. Additionally, consider using a virtual environment to manage project dependencies. Selecting a project idea is crucial for keeping participants engaged. For this tutorial, let's create a simple web application using the Flask framework that generates random quotes. Create a new file named app.py and add the following code. Create a new folder named Templates in your project directory. Inside the Templates folder, create a file named index.html with the following content. Now, you can run your Flask app by executing the following command in your terminal. Visit http://127.0.0.1:5000/ in your web browser to see your random quote generator in action. Encourage Code Club members to explore and enhance the project. They can add features like sharing quotes on social media, saving favorite quotes, or customizing the app's appearance. Use version control systems like Git to manage collaborative coding efforts. Starting a Python Code Club project is an exciting journey that promotes learning and collaboration. By choosing interesting projects and providing guidance, you can inspire participants to explore and expand their coding skills. Have fun coding. ChatGPT.